Meaning of groom.
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 Groom. The word groom has multiple meanings depending on the context. As a verb, it can mean to clean or tidy a person or an animal, often in preparation for a special event or occasion. It can also refer to preparing something in a particular way, such as grooming a ski slope for skiing. As a noun, a groom is a man who is getting married or a person who takes care of horses. In summary, the term groom can refer to either preparing someone or something in a specific way or to a man getting married or a person responsible for the care of horses.